Hey guys, welcome back to another video of DeFi passive income. So today we are going to take a look over hybrid finance. So this is a new project which is being launched right now. So before moving further, if you enjoy the content, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I try to inform you guys about different crypto projects and I want you to be a part of my crypto investing journey. So basically what they do, they launch small projects which don't have initial capital to launch it themselves. So they finance that. We will go through that in a second. So that's their main goal. But by holding their tokens, you will also earn a rebase, which we generally see in auto staking and auto compounding protocols. So they have been KYC'd by the Obsidian Council, which is a gold standard right now. So people over there really go through extensive video calls and interviews with the developers which they are auditing, and all the information of the owners of hybrid finance is with them. So in case if it's a rug pull, the real identity of these developers will be out in the public. So it's good that they have been KYC'd by the Obsidian and they are based on the Avalanche chain and they are partnered with Crypto Odyssey as well. So hybrid finance, funding and supporting game-changing DeFi projects while providing passive income to our token holders. So hybrid finance supports multiple projects across different chains, as you can see over here. So as I said that they have just launched and their treasury currently sits at $3.5 million and there are currently 1548 token holders at the time of making this video, and their passive APY is 50,000%, and they have a Discord group as well with 11,000 plus members. So how to become a Highvester? So buy Hybrid. Hybrid is built on the Avalanche chain and you can buy it on the Trader Joe. So earn rewards. Hybrid is auto staked and auto compounded. So you will earn rebase rewards just by holding this token into your wallet. Okay, so moving on. Accelerate your DeFi project funding. Have difficulty funding your project? We provide revolutionary collateralized loans to make your vision a reality. So basically they provide collateralized loans to new projects and helps them launch onto the crypto space. Compliance, we can provide you with access to our KYC and audit partners, ensuring you establish investor trust at a beneficial rate. Access all our approved DeFi specialists from Solidity developers to marketing experts and pick the right one for you. So basically what I'm getting is they help new projects to launch into the market and they also provide them with KYC and audit services through their partners, and they also help them with the marketing and strategy developments. So I think their idea and vision behind this project is pretty good, and this is their roadmap. May to June. Hybrid accelerator rollout, completely revolutionizing the way startups fund their expenses. Calculated exposure to thousands of startups. VIP access for holders in all startups. And supporting a brighter future for all of DeFi. Hybrid Destinations Mint. Hybrid Destinations is currently a closely guarded secret. An NFT with deflationary mechanisms and real-world utilities is all that is currently known. And in July they launch Hybrid Acceleration Expansion. So this is their roadmap for the just the 3 months, and this is their FAQ. Hybrid Finance is a pioneering DeFi project aimed at solving problems and inefficiencies in the space. It is through building high quality, true beneficial products that we bring much more than just financial benefit to our investors. Okay, so let's have a look over to their white paper. So there is a 10% buy tax and 15% sell tax on their tokens. These transaction fees are the primary source of revenue and are channeled directly into the risk-free value, which helps them in providing the rebases back to their investors. So the second source of revenue is the treasury. While the RFA is busy sustaining rebases and funding, the treasury made up of 30% of transaction fees is deployed into two different separate categories. Risk-free is stable yield farming, LPs and staking, and there is a high-risk one which is seed round investment and venture capital investment. So it is good that they are using their funds in these different types of playgrounds and not just staking them to earn more higher yields. So having a look over their treasury, there is 60% risk-free treasury and it is deployed through a number of secure, stable yield farming options, LPs and stakings. And there is a 20% high-risk investment which is deployed into a number of vetted seed round investment opportunities along with the risky revenue options. Think hedge fund venture capital model. There is growth fund which is 10% and team salary is 10%. And if we look at the chart right here, currently their token price is zero point 0.9 cents with a market cap of $1.3 million. So as you can see, there are a lot of buys right now in comparison to sales, which is a good thing.